There is a lot of noise in life. I'm constantly surrounded by loud, disruptive, sometimes unbearable noise. So I escape. But I'm not running to find silence. I'm seeking the music. The music of what is around me. The wind, the leaves, the water, the loons. Nature, like music, has rhythm, it has repetition, and melody. Music and sound affect me so deeply simply because I'm human. And since I'm human, I'm a receptor of what is around me. I feel what is around me, and I consume what is around me. And I believe that's a part of what's so special about being human. So let me leave you with this. Take time to say goodbye to the noise of your life and seek out the music of nature, because you will find beauty, a sense of peace, and a clearer mind. And hey, maybe you'll learn something new about yourself along the way.
Grab my finger. Wow. Thank you.